Welcome, tech enthusiasts and productivity seekers. Ever wished for more screen space to conquer your daily tasks? Today, we're diving into a game changer, setting up dual monitors to boost your efficiency and workflow. Whether you're an office professional or a tech enthusiast, dual monitors are a fantastic upgrade for any workstation. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step, from physical connections to fine-tuning your display settings in Windows. Get ready to transform your workstation and unlock a new level of multitasking. Let's get started. First things first. The physical connection. You'll need an HDMI cable or a DisplayPort, DVI or VGA cable. We'll be using an HDMI cable for this demonstration, a common and reliable choice for modern displays. Locate the HDMI input port on the back of your first monitor. Gently but firmly plug in one end of the cable. Now follow the cable to your computer. Find the corresponding HDMI output port on your PC's graphics card. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your computer. Ensure both connections are secure to prevent signal issues. Repeat this process for your second monitor, connecting it to another available port on your computer. Once both monitors are physically connected, power them on. You should see them light up. Don't worry if they don't immediately display your extended desktop. That's what our next steps in Windows are for. With your monitors powered on, it's time to tell Windows how to use them. Navigate to your desktop screen. The quickest way to access display settings is to right-click anywhere on an empty space on your desktop. From this list of options, look for and select Display Settings. Click on it to open the configuration window. This window is your control panel for all things related to your screen setup. It's where we'll customize how your monitors interact. Inside the Display Settings window, you'll see representations of your monitors, usually labeled 1 and 2. Scroll down to the Multiple Displays section. This is where you choose how your monitors will function together. Click the drop-down menu and select Extend these displays. This is the key to getting more screen real estate. After selecting Extend these displays, click the Apply button. Windows will then configure your monitors. You might see your screens flicker briefly as the changes are applied. This is normal, so don't be alarmed. Congratulations! Your desktop wallpaper should now smoothly extend across both monitors, creating a seamless workspace. To confirm functionality, try dragging a window from one screen to the other. It should glide effortlessly between them. Now that your dual monitors are set up, let's look at some final tips to optimize your experience. In Display Settings, you can adjust the physical arrangement of your monitors to match their real-world positions. You can also fine-tune resolution for each display, ensuring crisp visuals, and even change their orientation if needed. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your workflow and visual comfort. And there you have it. Your new dual monitor setup is complete, ready to enhance your productivity and computing experience. Enjoy your new dual monitor setup. We hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.